What's up guys, Richard69 here. Have choose the Raw brand, and I'm gonna open some rank up cases and as well as this outfit cases of the Raw which I just got it from by choosing the Raw. So comment on the brand which you have chosen. So let's get started by the outfit case. First case we receive. There we go. Let it get reshuffled. I need Roman Reigns. There it is. Untap it right now and I get. Oh, I got Seth Rollins in it. Okay, I was expecting Roman Reigns there. Fine, I will take that. I'll take it. From the second Raw outfit look case we receive. This time at least this time I hope Roman Reigns. So there it is. And I tap it right now. So it's gonna be Baron Corbin. I didn't get anything. Okay, I at least got the two outfits from the Raw brand, so pretty much happy. So from this final rank complete cases, I still hope some tier 3 rates. There we go. Rank up case, I receive. Yes, I got that common tier 3. Yes, finally got that common tier 3 weight guys. So another rank up case is available, another one is available, so let's see. I just want to shuffle it a bit, so boom. And I receive, ooh, another tier 4 technician weight belt, so that is nice. This is nice, that is nice, that's nice. Pretty cool. So let's go and check outfits for our Baron Corbin and Seth Rollins, I guess. I don't know, who do I get that? So there it is, my Seth Rollins. Got unlocked his outfit. 2 items. Outfit. Equip. So, wow. He looks pretty cool in this outfit. Look at that gloves. And for this outfit, I guess you don't have any glove. Okay, that's the major change I noticed from here. Yes, guys. See this. He has no gloves. Activate this one. There it is, the gloves, the shield gloves. It looks common like shield glove. Pretty much good. I liked it. I like it. So for the next one, I have like Baron Corbin. Yep, here it is. The acting general manager of the Raw. It's like pretty much he doesn't look good in this outfit. Let me check in the difference of this outfit and that outfit. With this outfit, major change is just the t-shirt change. Okay, I would like to see in this outfit. Is there any like after this or something good like this? So let me check. So here it is guys. Hope you love this video. Share, like and comment this video, and hope you guys enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel Rock the World for this mayhem and champions content. And I will see you after in the next video by doing these videos, the outfit videos soon. It's gonna land soon, so I guess I will do it by this evening or by tomorrow. I'll do it, the outfit video of playing with that outfit, gameplay of Seth Rollins and Baron Corbin. So just a second, it's available for the 2-star versions as well. Let me check out. Where is my Baron Corbin at the 2-star? He's muted down below there. 2-star version of Baron Corbin. I do got that link. Baron Corbin. Hey, Pieris. Like it's only for one, or we can use it for both 2 stars, 3 stars. Oh yes. We can equip it for 2-star version as well. No, I want to check it that with this 2-star version and the 3-star version, it's worked for the both or not. I guess yep, it is working for both the ones. Nice, it is nice. So we can put any one for this. Put any of it for I can do my second one as well. I'm not happy that I didn't get it for one range, but still I chose raw brand for myself. I'm having a good roster with of my raw brand. So it's an icons event, I guess. Yeah, icons event. I got Edge and Goldberg. So okay, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and share and comment on this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'm out, guys. See ya.